Hi, it's Kat. I'm here with your Wednesday, April 28th astrological forecast. Let's get started with our three deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity leaving our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light that goes out and forms a protective circle of white light around us. And the circle is deflecting all evil and low vibration and negativity back to its source. Right now, when we're in this space, let's stay in it for just 5 seconds longer. And let's say, I am abundant. Everything I desire, everything I require is available to me from the universe. Let's say that again together. Let's sit in our circle. I am abundant. Everything I desire, everything I require is available to me from the universe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. Now, it's really important to note here that the circle is deflecting all evil, low vibration, and negativity back to its source. So I want to say to us today to be thinking, being conscious of our thoughts, because our thoughts are things. We have a thought, whether positive or negative, and that thought goes out into the universe. It collects like thoughts, and then it comes back. So it's good if we're putting out positive thoughts, we're going to get a lot of positive thoughts back, a lot of positive energy back. And if we're putting out negative thoughts, we're going to get a lot of negativity back. So let's be conscious of our thoughts today. While the moon has finally moved out of Scorpio and into Sagittarius, thank goodness, we can lighten up a little bit. It's still not a day to work on this issue that we're having with our partner or job or career, whatever this major issue is. And it's not a day to, it's kind of like it's a day to enjoy because we have the moon in Sagittarius, so we're in a lighter mood. It's a day to maybe be with friends and maybe hang out together or get outside. But still not a day to do that hard work that needs to be done with our partner, job opportunity, job or career or project, whatever that is that we started on with the beginning of the week. Not quite there yet. People's emotions, even though we're out of that Scorpion energy, people are still a little volatile, so let's stay out of that fray. Let's just kind of hang out and watch what's going on and enjoy our friends and our time outside or doing something fun. Sagittarius is fun today. But now we get to talk about one more thing for the day, and that is this wonderful Pluto energy that went retrograde yesterday and it's going to be retrograde until October of this year. Oh my goodness, here we go. Opportunities for growth. So Pluto has come to help us handle unresolved issues in relationships, unresolved issues in our jobs, opportunities, our situation, whatever it is. Unresolved issues are coming up. Well, we've already saw one come up earlier that we have to work on. Personal issues are going to come up for us so that we can do the work of Pluto to either heal or transform them. So Pluto going retrograde, meaning Pluto looks like it's going backwards. We know that it isn't, but the symbolic meaning of it is we need to review, readjust, reinvent, release all the re's, whatever this situation, relationship is that's going on in our life. Oh, you don't know what it is? Don't worry, no worries. Pluto's going to bring them up for us. Oh, yes. Pluto's going to be bringing up all our baggage for us in the next couple of months. Isn't that fun? Ha! And we get to look at it objectively. We need to review. We get to really make some changes. Now, Pluto is in Capricorn. So these issues revolve around tradition, structure, beliefs. So we have this energy going on, this overhanging energy of the Saturn in Aquarius square Uranus in Taurus. So the new versus the new hanging over our heads the entire year. The new ideas, new ways of doing things in major conflict with tradition and status quo. And now yesterday, we get to also work with Pluto coming in and saying, hey, time to regroup, time to reinvent, time to redo. If you don't do it, I will. That's how Pluto operates. Not a real schmoozer, Pluto. Pluto gives us the option of either healing it, transforming it, or releasing it, or Pluto will destroy it for us. And as a little caveat, if we haven't done our work by October and by chance it wasn't destroyed, it's dead. And it's going to stay that way, and we get to stagnate in that energy for a long time. So that's what we're looking at. All internal work. All internal work. So we are going to be looking at objectively when emotional upsets come into our lives, or we feel uncomfortable, insecure. Remember, Taurus, we're looking for our security this month. We need to take a look, see what it is, be objective, work towards either healing it or releasing it. Great fun for today, right? Well, let's see what the guides have to say for us on this Wednesday, April the 28th, to help us have a more balanced, aligned, harmonious, happy day. It is the middle of the week, so that's something to look forward to. We got the weekend coming up in a couple of days. We had an most awesome, amazing festival on Monday. Wow, that was so powerful. I hope you all got a chance to use the keynote. I see, and when the eye is opened, all is light. Very powerful energy. Okay, guides, what you got for us on this Wednesday? Far away places, get ready for new horizons. Awesome. Let's see, there we go. Grace and gratitude. Through gratitude, joy expands. Miracles. Expect wondrous miracles to emerge. Oh, wow. A great message from the guides today. So we are looking. We have Pluto saying, hey, review, revise, redo, redirect. There are opportunities for us. I've been bringing it up for weeks and weeks. Opportunities, but they do require us to have faith and trust. And that is a little bit difficult for some of us, isn't it? To trust ourselves, to trust our higher self, to go where no man has gone before. But we have a little help. Spirit says, just be thankful for what you have. Be thankful for what we have. Be thankful for the opportunities of growth. Boo. Anyway, be thankful for the opportunities coming to us. And when we do that, the energy channel opens up of abundance. And the faraway place, oh, we begin to see it on the horizon. And miracles. There it is. Oh, if with gratitude, miracles do occur. So, whatever it is we're looking at and thinking about, the magic elixir today is grace and gratitude. Be thankful for what we have, where we're at. Be thankful for this opportunity to move forward, and boom, miracles will occur. You will be able to see in the far distance your destination. So make it a great Wednesday. If you like what you see today, please like, subscribe, and share. It really supports me. Come see me on Facebook.com at Soul Sister Cat. Make it a great day. Life is lived from the inside out. Namaste.